Hi everybody, this is from 8th grade. You got R.C. Thomas. Let's look at the front of the box.
Awesome.
Let's look at the back. What does it say?
It says, watch Thomas go. Move Thomas backwards and forwards.
Now, open it up.
Turn it this way.
Turn this way. Let's turn this way.
This is for ages 18 months and up, so it's a little bit young for Eddie, but it still should be lots of fun, right?
Yeah. Here's some instructions. And here comes.
Can you get it? We'll come back as soon as we get all the pieces out.
Okay, we're back and we finished R.C. Thomas. So let's look at Thomas first.
Tell us about him.
He's a very cool toy, and he is a tank engine with no coupling. Now let's look underneath him. Look, there's a little wheel that can turn. Now let's look at the controller.
One's forward and one's backwards, right?
Yep. Now.
Or one's turning, I guess.
Yeah. Now let's play with him.
I think you need to turn him on the bottom.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Hello, it's Thomas.
Oh. Uh-oh, he's not working. Is their controller have an on and off switch?
No. I think you need.
Let's figure this out. Let's go like that.
I'll figure it out now. Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Ah! See if you can make him come to the camera.
Oh, Tom, that's not the way.
Thomas.
Oh, he went reverse. Oh.
Okay, so Eddie's going to go now so that he can get on the big open floor and play with his toy. So that's all for today. Whoa, did you see that? That was a cool spin.
Oh.
And Eddie's going to go play with his new R.C. Thomas. Okay.
Bye.